Ladies and gentlemen, again, one of the days where we wish we could have begun the show by saying good evening to you. It clearly is not a good evening. Because time and again, remember, the system is testing us. It's testing you, it's testing me, it's testing all of us. The system wants to know for how long, we can continue to lose people. We can continue to use young lives when it comes to apathy. You can have kids dying, you can have accidents happening, and no one is accountable. As always, political blame game. I don't need to introduce the story, but we need to introduce these three young lives. Shreya Yadav, Tanya Soni, Naveen Dalvin, all under 30. All under 30 had a very bright future. They were all studying to be UPSC aspirants. They wanted to get into the system, change the system perhaps. But today, they've been consumed by the very same system. Very same system. It's a story that the more you read about, the more you talk about it, you ask yourself that it could have been anyone else. Instead of Shreya, Tanya, Naveen, it could have been you, it could have been me. It could have been our siblings, our friends, anyone known to us. For how long will you tolerate this? Let's bring up the key characters as far as accountability goes. Because again, that is important. For any story, you will have to find out who possibly is accountable. Arvind Kejriwal is a Delhi Chief Minister. He's cooling his heels right now in jail. He's in jail, not willing to give up. Let's bring the next character here. Very important because Delhi again, like it's a UT, then it has, it doesn't have full statehood. Clearly, you will have a lot of people accountable, responsible. Atishi is a Delhi PWD minister. Will she have zero accountability? All that she will tell us कि inquiry बैठा दी गई है, बहुत जल्दी इसकी report आ जाएगी. Durgesh Pathak, he is the MLA from the same area from where this coaching institute falls, in the Rajendra Nagar area, and he is also the Aam Aadmi Party's in charge for the MCD. Look very closely at all these figures. The next gentleman that we are talking about is Ashwini Kumar. He is the MCD commissioner. He's just been appointed by the MHA, the Home Affairs, the Centre. He is the MCD commissioner. Where is he? Have we heard from him? We'll tell you very shortly. Basuri Swaraj, she's a BJP MP from New Delhi. Again, Rajendra Nagar is under her constituency. She was one of the first BJP netas that we had seen rushing to the spot late on Saturday night as soon as this happened. But that's it. Someone has to be accountable. Clearly, these are figures that you have seen as far as this goes. Let's also now tell you more about the arrests. So far, there have been 7 arrests. Before I detail that and tell you more about who these 7 people are, clearly none of these who are accountable. Let's bring up the top 5 questions. Shreya, Tanya, Naveen. Who killed them? We are not saying that they are drowned. We do not accept the fact, ladies and gentlemen, that they drowned. They have been killed. They have been murdered. That is most important. And when this is murder, you have to find out who murdered them. This brings us to our next question now. That's going to be on your screens. With Arvind Kejriwal in jail, the city does not have a chief minister who is out on ground zero working. So I, as a citizen in Delhi, and much like you, if you're watching this broadcast apart from anywhere else in Delhi, we are asking who's responsible for governance in Delhi. Delhi is up for elections very soon, and clearly when we go and vote, we want to elect a chief minister. But if that chief minister is in jail, who do we go and ask questions to? This brings us to our third question right now that you will see on your screens now. The MCD bulldozers significantly have gone ahead today to demolish what they are saying is an illegal part of this coaching center. Where were they till now? Were they waiting for kids to die so that they can go out with their bulldozers? Much like you have seen in the Pune Porsche case, isn't this just a mere eyewash? Will we let the MCD get away by just bulldozing a part of an illegal structure? Absolutely not. This brings us to our next question that will go up on our screens. Waterlogged streets. Again, if you're living in Delhi, you've experienced this yourself. Collapsing infrastructure. We've again seen this happening right under our nose. Death by apathy, again and again and again. This is definitely not why we pay our taxes. Why are we paying our taxes? If the netas, if the MLAs, the MPs cannot ensure that you and I at least do not drown and die, why are we paying taxes? This brings us to our final question now that you will see on your screens, a question that I always pose whenever we have a civic apathy story like this. How many more Shreya, Tanya and Naveen should die before the system wakes up? The system is in deep slumber. The system is sleeping. This is a system that only believes in passing the buck. But how many more young lives have to go before this system wakes up? Ladies and gentlemen, join us in our Times Now campaign as we'll keep you on top of the story, and a story that has to be told, and also accountability fixed. But first up, this is also an issue earlier that has resonated earlier in the parliament. We've seen a lot of parliamentarians very concerned. But when it comes to accountability, the students are forced to take out such marches. This is the situation of that basement that you just saw. These are grieving parents, grieving family members. No one has an idea why did they lose their children here. No one. And that is why it's important to listen in now to all these reactions that we have as we continue to ask, will they just be forgotten in the next few hours, and our politicians, will they continue to bicker like they always do?
मैं विषयांतर में नहीं जाना चाहता था, परंतु हमारे माननीय सदस्य ने कहा तो मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगा, इसी दौर में सैकड़ों करोड़ का शीश महल बन के तैयार हो गया, मगर सीवर की सफाई नहीं हो पाई।
डीसिल्टिंग को लेके मैंने सभी विभागों की मीटिंग 6 फरवरी को सर्दियों में उसका नोटिस निकाला था, और ये मीटिंग 13 तारीख को की। इस मीटिंग के अंदर not even one IAS officer turned up.
There is sadly a level of violations of basic norms when it comes to building codes, fire safety, flood safety and so on. That is rampant in the city. The corporation also has responsibility on this.
So this is just to give you a better idea of what we've heard today from everyone accountable. Remember, the MCD, the centre, also the Aam Aadmi Party, everyone today should have these questions going out to them. Now, the death of these 3 young UPSC aspirants, Tanya, Shreya and Naveen, because of flooding in the basement of a coaching centre in Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar, has also exposed the criminal nexus, the negligence by the authorities who were supposed to be in charge. And these are authorities in charge of governance in the national capital. Amidst all the blame game between the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP over the coaching centre horror, it is Times Now that has been able to access a series of letters written by the Delhi LG right from the year 2023. Now, these, remember, are not 1, not 2, not 3, but there are 6 letters. 6 letters in 16 months. Think about this. 6 letters going out in 16 months, and they reveal that the Delhi LG wrote to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, other top authorities in the MHA, and what is contained in these letters. Here is where the LG highlights the immediate need to put emergency flood response mechanisms in place to ensure that people do not suffer. People do not drown, people do not die. We are going to take you through these letters one by one. That will be on your screens now. And as you will see all of them right now on your screens, I'm not just going into these details because clearly it's not about the details. You know, not the very first time that you're seeing a story like this. And clearly, the moment you ask a question of the Aam Aadmi Party, they will say, हमें ये नहीं करने दिया जा रहा, हमने ऐसी चिट्ठी लिखी थी. The BJP will, hold the Aam Aadmi Party accountable. The MCD says we are out there today with a bulldozer. So everyone today will have a story to tell, but what about the answers? Let's say good evening to our panel of guests joining us. Harish Khurana ji is the BJP spokesperson joining us. Saif Khan represents the Congress. Hakeem Rizwan Elahi is a political analyst. Kanchan Mishra is a UPSC aspirant. Kanchan, let's begin by asking you, I don't even know what is there to ask. When you see a story like this, Kanchan, we should just be thankful that we are not, we did not drown like Tanya, Harish. We didn't die like that. We should be alive. We should be really thankful that we are alive today, and we should be thankful to the governments.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you. Thanks to you that you give us opportunity to speak. मैम, जो भी हुआ ये बहुत गलत हुआ मैम, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. छोटी छोटी चीजों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए था. ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है मैम. हमेशा वहाँ पे 5 मिनट की बारिश में मैम, आप देख सकते हैं, आपने न्यूज में भी कवर किया है वो चीजों को, 5 फुट पानी भर जाता था. एंड मैम, जैसे उस दिन हाफ एन आवर तक बारिश हुई थी, एंड हाफ एन आवर की बारिश में मैम पूरा 12 to 13 फीट पानी भर गया. तो एनसीडी कहाँ थी मैम? मतलब पहले से इन चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए था मैम. ऐसी बहुत सारी दिक्कतें हैं जो हम सारे स्टूडेंट फेस करते हैं. नॉट अबाउट द लाइब्रेरी ओनली, बट पीजी रूम्स ये भी वेस्ट मिलते हैं यहाँ पे मैम. इन सब पे भी आप जानकारी कीजिए. मैम बहुत सारी दिक्कत है, जैसे कि ओनर से अगर हम कोई भी चीज कहे तो यहाँ पे ओनर से हम डायरेक्टली कुछ नहीं कर सकते। रेंट तो हम ओनर को देते, बीच में सेल ब्रोकर आ जाते हैं। ऐसे काफी सारी दिक्कतें हैं मैम।
बिल्कुल।
एक
और
कमेटी
कंचन,
होनी
मुझे लगता है
चाहिए।
कि कई बार इस तरह की रिपोर्ट्स भी आई हैं कि आप लोगों ने तमाम ये सारी कंसर्न्स अथॉरिटीज तक ले जाने की कोशिश की है, और क्या हुआ है उसका जवाब मुझे लगता है आज इन तस्वीरों में साफ नजर आता है। हकीम, लेट्स बिगिन बाय आस्किंग यू, you know, should we be really thankful to the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi that they give us free electricity, they give us, you know, subsidized water, but ये तो तब कोई इस्तेमाल कर पाएगा ना जब वो जिंदा रहेंगे।
Good afternoon. Good evening. I would like to say, first of all, it's a very sad state of affairs. And what happened to these young people, it's very sad to know about it. Because for that, you need to have that kind of empathy towards the mankind and to the people of our nation.
Forget the mankind,
And
just think about the Delhi walas, no? Hakeem,
what I would like
for
to
the
say
moment,
here
forget the mankind, just get your interest
No,
limited
what I
to
would
Delhi
like
at
to say
least.
here is,
Delhi
it's
has
a
a chief
part-
minister who's sitting in jail right now.
This
He's willing to
incident
give up.
that showed us it is just because the negligence of the people and whoever is
Whose
accountable for
negligence?
it.
Hakeem, whose
whoever,
negligence?
there has to be an inquiry on it, and whoever is found guilty
मैम
of all these things.
Kanchan
whatever
is
happened
asking you
in
कि कब
Delhi,
होगी इंक्वायरी, कितनी इंक्वायरीज
they need
बैठाएंगे
to-
आप
these
हकीम?
people need to get put behind bars. And what I want to say here, it's a part of dirty politics.
No,
Because what
Hakeem,
all, see, we
Hakeem, who's
we
the chief
all-
minister
in Delhi?
Ma'am, you very well said. Whenever something happens in Delhi, you say who is the chief minister. And when something good happens, when something nice happens, you say that Arvind Kejriwal is in the jail. So there is a responsibility.
No, hang on. Arvind Kejriwal is in jail. Arvind Kejriwal is in jail. He wants to continue as the chief minister, not give up that post. So clearly there is, there is his idea of wanting to cling to that chair. Fine enough. He wants to do that, Hakeem, but tell me something. Who's accountable for these lives lost?
From their responsibilities.
Hakeem, at least today, please do not run around the bush.
One political party, ma'am.
अब जवाब दीजिए ना। कंचन पूछ रही है कि मल्टीपल टाइम हम लोगों ने चिट्ठी लिखी है, हम लोगों ने अथॉरिटीज तक
Ma'am,
कंप्लेन
I'm
भेजी है,
telling you,
क्या हुआ है?
Despite the party, whoever is responsible, if it is somebody from Aam Aadmi Party responsible, he should be put behind bars. If somebody is responsible from Bharatiya Janata Party, he should be put behind bars. Somebody needs to take the responsibility. It's our people, it's the young UPSC
Is there something called morality?
that have been
Arvind Kejriwal,
killed
Hakeem
today.
ji,
I would say it's a
you would
murder.
recall, I'm not sure whether you would
Rightly said in
recall
the
or
beginning, it's a
not.
murder.
Hakeem ji, give me a moment before I get in both Saif and Harish ji into the conversation. पहले जब अरविंद केजरीवाल थे, चुनाव लड़ना था, and there was Sheila Dikshit on the other side, he always used to say, morality होना चाहिए, आपके खिलाफ एक चार्ज हो, फटाफट रिजाइन करिए, उसके बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा, आप क्लियर हो जाएंगे, आप वापस आइएगा। कुछ नैतिकता, कुछ मोरालिटी है या नहीं है हकीम जी?
मैम, मैं कह रहा हूं, पहले तो मुझे लगता है बंसरी जी को रिजाइन करना चाहिए।
अच्छा।
जो एज एमपी काम नहीं कर पा रही है राजेंद्र।
बिल्कुल, अरविंद केजरीवाल रिजाइन ना करें, बांसुरी स्वराज जरूर रिजाइन कर ले, है ना? हकीम जी, बहुत बढ़िया है सर। ऐसे ही अगर गवर्नेंस रहा, हकीम जी देखिए, आपको अगर ये लगता है कि बार बार दिल्ली की जनता को आप फ्री लाइट, फ्री पानी और बाकी सुविधाएं दे देकर आपको लगता है कि आप इलेक्शन जीतते रहेंगे, अकाउंटेबिलिटी का जब जवाब आएगा आप सवाल भाजपा पर उठा देंगे, तो ऐसे भी नहीं चलेगा।
ये आज का दिन जो है पॉलिटिक्स करने का नहीं है।
पॉलिटिक्स तो आप कर रहे हैं ना हकीम जी। आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछा गया कि कोई तो इसके लिए जिम्मेदार होगा ना।
ये तो वही जानता है जिसके बच्चे गुजर गए हैं। ये तो वही उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स को जो है असली एम्पैथी होगी।
बिल्कुल तो बताइए ना, वो परिवार जानना चाहते हैं, इनके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है हकीम?
लेकिन ये वो इंसान जानता है जिसके घर पे बच्चा गुजरा है।
अरे लेक्चर्स नहीं चाहिए हकीम जी, आज लेक्चर्स नहीं चाहिए प्लीज, और किसी दिन करिएगा। हरीश जी, you will tell me that this is the Aam Aadmi Party to be blamed. इन्होंने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. Dismiss the government, sir. Dismiss the government and ensure that people do not die, at least in Delhi, like this. Will you do that?
Dipti, before I should comment on what you are asked, I would like to pay heartfelt condolences to all the deceased family who have lost their kids. It's a very unfortunate incident, and I will call it as a murder. When I say this is a murder, this is a clear-cut case of a corruption. Hakeem ji जो मर्जी कहते रहे, but this is a clear-cut case of corruption. I'll tell you why. children have written a letter 1 month before. If that government have taken action, this incident might not happen. Silting, they are claiming that desilting has happened. You are showing to your channel that 6 letters have been issued by Honorable Lieutenant Governor to Chief Minister regarding desilting. Nothing has happened, only on papers that desilting has happened. Where the money has gone in, nobody knows it. Unauthorized construction has happened over there. Nobody is taking care of that. So it is a clear case of a corruption. And I would like, it's a criminal conspiracy. Criminal conspiracy action should be taken care of. You have hanged the owners of IAS Academy. Fair enough. But what about the local area councillor and MLA and Atishi? Why not you file a case against them? Because it's a clear case, criminal conspiracy against.
But Harish ji, this is exactly what I ask you on any such story, because we do know that Delhi does not have full statehood. There is this collision, and everyone, whether it is side A, side B, all of you get an opportunity to say, "Hamare paas pura control nahi hai." Go and ask the other person. I am saying, if Hakim and the Aam Aadmi Party government is useless, let them be useless. Sack them. Dismiss this government. Why aren't you doing that? Why do you want people to die because of this apathy, sir?
See, Dipti, you are absolutely right. Today, Delhi needs a full-time chief minister. Unfortunately, we don't have a chief minister right now. He's in jail, and you cannot run a government through a jail. I'm sure this time Lieutenant Governor is taking serious thing on this, and he's the one who has to write a report to Honorable Home Minister and a central government. He might be taking it. I'm not here to comment on that behalf. But problem is, why every time Topi transfer is there?
MCD?
4
Harish,
days back,
you're saying Topi transfer. What about the MCD? The MCD commissioner is appointed by the MHA. Can you give me one good reason why he doesn't need to go? The MCD bulldozers today have been out on the streets demolishing what they are saying are illegal portions of the coaching center. Were they sleeping for so long? Were they waiting for these 3 individuals to die so that they can wake up? Isn't that an eyewash?
What I'm saying, whoever the culprit is, first we should start from the local. Where the local councillor? He's in London. He's roaming in London. She's not concerned about what the ground reality is. Where is the local MLA? Where is the Atishi?
What about the MCD? What about the MCD top boss?
2 years back, what they used to say, I used to debate on your channel also, what you say, MCD हमारे पास नहीं है, so we can't clear these slits. Now, MCD is yours, PW department is yours, every agency, what you blame in, is yours, under your control.
But Harish ji, much like Hakim, I think this is a really problematic situation now, because we cannot see this unfolding the way it is. And, Saif, just allow me a moment, because I do see Satvik, who's also joining us. He's a UPSC aspirant, and he's holding a placard. Satvik, thank you that you're taking out time to be on our show. The show is represented by the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress, and the BJP, and there is this political football happening, Satvik. You are speaking, Kanchan is speaking, both of you are UPSC aspirants. What is it that you say in this placard, Satvik? आप मुझे बताइए कि आपके हिसाब से कौन जिम्मेदार है इन मौतों का?
पॉइंट ये है कि जिम्मेदारी कौन ले रहा है, इससे हमें बाद में मतलब है. पॉइंट ये है कि बच्चों की जाने गई है, उसके लिए तो पहले आगे आए. आज हमारी डेलीगेशन एलजी साहब से मिली है, वो खुद यहाँ आए थे, हमने उनसे बात की है, एंड ही सेड दैट ही वुड कंडक्ट अ मीटिंग अराउंड 5 o'clock इन द इवनिंग. हेलो,
बोलिए सात्विक जी, बोलिए.
या हेलो, हाँ, तो हमारी कुछ बेसिक डिमांड्स हैं, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. We just want a fair compensation from the Raouz IAS also and from the government also. Raouz IAS should take the moral responsibility of this event for this incident, and we demand at least minimum 1 crore compensation for each student.
ये कौन सात्विक, ये देखिए बार-बार ये सवाल जरूर उठता है कॉम्पनसेशन का. ये कॉम्पनसेशन किसको देना चाहिए?
स्टूडेंट्स को देना चाहिए, जो एस्पायरेंट्स जो हमारे बीच आज नहीं है उनको देना चाहिए, उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स को देना चाहिए.
कौन देगा ये? आप चाहते हैं कि दिल्ली सरकार दे, आप चाहते हैं एलजी दे, आप चाहते हैं कि एमसीडी दे?
मैं चाहता हूँ दोनों दे, राउज आईएएस इंस्टीट्यूट Yes, definitely, क्योंकि सबका कुछ ना कुछ गलती है. When I personally tried to contact the MCD, they said that this is not their area of concern. It is the problem of Delhi Jal Board.
अच्छा, ये कब की बात है?
They are just transferring the topi.
When did you get in touch with the MCD?
ये कल की बात है.
अच्छा, तो आपने MCD के दफ्तर में फोन
कल की
लगाया
बात
है,
है
किसी स्पेसिफिक ऑफिशियल से बात की?
नहीं, MCD के ऑफिस में फोन लगाया
कंचन,
था.
मुझे 2 मिनट दीजिएगा, सात्विक अपनी बात पूरी कर ले, उसके बाद आपके पास
हाँ?
आऊंगी. सात्विक,
या हम नॉर्मल IAS एस्पिरेंट से यहाँ पे अलग अलग जगह से आते हैं, बट द ट्रूथ इज, हार्श ट्रूथ इज दैट वी आर नॉट द वोटर्स ऑफ हियर ना. देयरफॉर नो वन इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ अस. वी आर पेइंग ह्यूज रेंट हियर, वी आर जस्ट डाइंग, वी आर पेइंग मनी फॉर अवर डेथ. दैट्स द रियलिटी, हार्श रियलिटी दैट इज.
दिस इज टेरिबल.
अगर आप ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में आओगे तो यहाँ पे बच्चों ने कंप्लेंट भी की है कि वाटर लॉगिंग है, ड्रेनेज का इशू है, सारे हैंगिंग वायर्स है, हाई टेंशन वायर्स हैंग हो रहे हैं ऐसे ही. वी हैव कंप्लेंट अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो, बट नो वन इज लिसनिंग टू अस. बस डेट दी जाती है, योर इशू हैज बीन फॉरवर्डेड टू द कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट, ये बोल के हटा दिया जाता है. पॉइंट यह है कि आज ये इंस्टीट्यूट में हुआ है. 3 दिन पहले हमारा एक और साथी इलेक्ट्रिक्यूशन की वजह से पटेल नगर में मर गया.
बिल्कुल.
उसके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है? उसके लिए तो इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं, लेकिन बाकी
बिल्कुल, और
NCD
उनका
हो
नाम
गया,
शायद नीलेश था.
सारे डिपार्टमेंट जिम्मेदार है ना.
जी
हाँ, राइट, नीलेश था
जी. और हमने टाइम्स
तो हम उसके लिए भी
नाउ ने
compensation
वही
मांग
स्टोरी की थी, और टाइम्स नाउ ने जब तमाम लोगों से पूछा कि कौन जिम्मेदार है, हरीश जी एंड हकीम, मच लाइक बोथ ऑफ यू टुडे, we've just seen a political blame game. No one is accountable. But Saif, हरीश जी आती हूँ. सैफ अभी तक बोले नहीं है. I want to quickly get in Saif into the conversation. Saif, you represent the Congress, who today according to you is guilty. Why couldn't Rahul Gandhi, out of everything else that he spoke on the floor of the House, also speak about this issue? And हमें बताते कि किसकी गलती है सैफ?
बिल्कुल. सबसे पहले firstly I would like to offer my condolences to the families, those who lost their child, specifically these 3, Shreya, Tanya and Naveen, because of waterlogging, biometric failure, negligence, illegal basement operations. These were the reasons. And what I see on your channel right now is a lack of accountability still. Whether you take it for Aam Aadmi Party or you take it from the Bharatiya Janata Party. वो MCD के कमिश्नर के ऊपर जो है उंगली उठा रहे हैं, वो जो है म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन पे उठा रहे हैं, तो कोई उस एरिया का विधायक MLA अगर आम आदमी पार्टी से, तो सांसद जो है MP जो है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी. लैक ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी. अगर ऐसे ही रहेगा तो आगे के प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स जो हैं कैसे ले पाएंगे?
नहीं, तो सैफ आप बताइए ना, what is the way forward? Because I do remember when Sheila Dikshit ji was in power, we clearly did not have such a bad acrimonious situation.
Absolutely, because we were taking care of.
So who today?
Don't
Don't you think Arvind Kejriwal, who's sitting in jail, not willing to give up that chair, is he also not accountable, Seth? Why is he still the chief minister if we can't ask him any questions?
नहीं, बिल्कुल. We as an individual, as an Indian citizen, we are supposed to ask questions for both the governments, including the central government and the state government.
Who's more accountable, Seth? Why is that question so difficult for
both
you?
are accountable. 15 years. See, we cannot, specifically point out just one. Both are accountable because it's their moral responsibility, which they have failed on. And that is the fact. आप ये फेलियर देखिए जो है ना, बायोमेट्रिक फेल हो गया, एंड स्पेसिफिकली वो those institutions, those who are running in those specific areas, 13 of them got sealed today.
Okay.
Right? Why?
Harish
Because
ji,
they are
last
operating
10 seconds आपको ऐसा before I close the show. अब आप मुझे बताइए, what is the way ahead, sir? Will we keep fighting? Will we see politicians fighting amongst each other, or there will be a solution?
Is concerned, we already raised a demand again in front of Lieutenant Governor to give a 1 crore rupees compensation to all the deceased family, to the people. What these aspirants are what's asking it. We have already demanded that from the Lieutenant Governor. Point number 1. Point number 2. Still, no action will be taken against the local people over there. Whether it's a MLA, whether it's a councillor, whether it's any officer on the ground.
No, why is Harish ji this so difficult? There have been 7 arrests so far. I still haven't heard that.
none of-
What
none
about
of
the
our
NCD
actual-
commissioner? Why is
none
he
of our
not being
actual
acted
people.
upon?
Dipti,
What
none of
about the
actual
local
people.
MLA, MP? And these questions, the power
जिसने
minister,
पैसे
the
खाए
judge
उसके
board
पास नहीं हुआ।
officials. I mean,
जिसने
we
पैसे खाए
should
उसके पास
clearly
नहीं
be
हुआ।
able to spot out Harish ji and Hakeem that who's responsible. But even at the end of the show, you know, Satvik and Kanchan, I must say this, that जितनी दिक्कत आप लोगों को हो रही है ना, आप कहते हैं जगह जगह जाते हैं कंप्लेंट लेकर, चिट्ठियां लेकर, कोई जवाब नहीं मिलता। इस शो में भी कोई जवाब मिला नहीं है। But we don't have to stop here. We have to ensure, Satvik and Kanchan, that we continue to raise this voice.
डिमांड की हम क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं मैम?
हाँ।
अभी भी हमारी डिमांड कोई सुन नहीं रहा है मैम।
बिल्कुल।
जैसे
नहीं।
हर जगह पे ग्रीन पार्क बनाती है गवर्नमेंट, हमारे लिए लाइब्रेरीज बननी चाहिए मैम। हर ये अगर आप बेसमेंट का बंद करवाएंगे तो जितने भी फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर पे गिने चुने 4 से 5 पटेल नगर, करोल बाग, राजेंद्र नगर में लाइब्रेरीज होंगे मैम। उनकी फीस इन्होंने हाइक कर दी 2 दिन के अंदर।
बिल्कुल। और फिर बिल्कुल सारी दिक्कत स्टूडेंट्स पे आएगी। आई जस्ट होप एंड प्रे that the next time Harish ji, Hakeem and Saif, we are not sitting again on a show and reporting of such a tragedy again. Because Delhi elections are not very far away, and I'm sure that Delhi ki janta will find an answer to this. Who's accountable, who's responsible, only for what of time. I'm thanking both Kanchan, Satvik and all our politicians for joining us, heading into a quick break.